ENA's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording we are attempting a break above our key area of resistance that lies between the 0.3346, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is also acting as support. And this bounce is playing out after we continued to hold above our key area of support that lies between the 0.3087 and the 0.2435. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas, basing my analysis on the additive structures, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September. You can see that we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.4235, and after we saw that impulsive movement to the upside, we started a bit of a corrective structure over here. And I believe that this movement over here has been obeying the additive structures, where I'm now terming this as an impulsive additive count 1. And this corrective structure over here was a corrective structure in an additive count 2. And in the next coming days, we are going to continue seeing higher prices in an additive count 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an additive count 5. And to just show you that the second wave down here did the minimums, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, I got a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.3089 and the 0.2433, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the chart, an area that we have now fully maximized. And yesterday we saw a reaction of this target area in what I am now terming as the start of an impulsive additive count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this additive count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.6245. Then once we pick in that additive count 3, I will be expecting a pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in that additive count 5, possibly getting us back above the dollar mark. And for us to fully maximize our minimum target areas in this wave 3, we first need to see a break above resistance above the 0.3348, flipping that key area of resistance back into support. And the moment that plays out, then watch out for another bounce, getting us back above the 0.4 and also giving us a break above the high that we made above the 0.4231. And the moment we manage to break above that high, then that will be enough confirmation that we are now getting impulsive and we can easily maximize our minimum target areas in this wave 3 above the $0.62 in the next coming days. We also need to have in mind that we can also get rejected over here at this key area of resistance, and if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, I want to give you areas that we need to continue holding in case of any sudden pullbacks by connecting the Fibonacci's from these lows that we made on the 10th of August to the high we made yesterday above the $0.35, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the 618, and that is between the 0.3034 and the 0.2926, which is the area over here. So in case of any sudden pullbacks, this is the area that you need to continue holding within, because within this area we can see we can find support and get a reversal to the upside, managing to break above key areas of resistances in a move that could be setting the pace for that impulsive movement to the upside in this additive count 3. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the ENA chart for the next coming hours and days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I hope to catch you on the next one.